here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to start expanding on your personal narrative topic idea. Okay, remember yesterday we chose one of our topics, and today we're going to begin collecting around the specific topic. The topic I'm going to choose to focus on for my personal narrative is my brother. I have a lot of memories of growing up with my brother and fun things we did, so I feel like this is going to be a really good topic. So now that we've chosen our topic, it's time to begin collecting in more specific entries in our writer's notebooks, okay? So today I'm going to model for you one strategy, and that strategy is collecting memories, okay? Even when writers choose topics, so I'm going to write that actually up here, collecting memories. Even when writers choose topics, they still don't always know what they will focus on in their first draft. So this is why we do so much collecting and planning to figure out what we should write about. It's not always apparent what will work best as a story, but it's our job as writers to collect as much as we can and then re-examine it later to find out what has a pulse or a heartbeat. In other words, what is going to move us, what story we really want to tell. So right now what's important is quantity. Like we want to just collect as many memories as we can. Let's try to get all of our ideas on the page. So my topic is my brother, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm thinking back to our relationship growing up and just trying to remember moments and memories. So one thing I remember is that in high school, this is not the I'm not setting the best example here, but we used to steal street signs. And so what I'm going to do is, as I'm collecting these memories, I might jot down a couple of details that go along with this memory, so that if I write about it in the future, I'll have some sort of direction. So I remember the wrenches we would bring. I remember sitting on his shoulders to unscrew one of these signs. I remember when we almost got caught by the police. Cool. So this is just a start for this one memory. I'm going to move on to another one. One thing we used to do when we were kids that I have a really fond memory of is bug fights. We used to like catch different bugs like hornets and spiders, and we would put them in the same jar and make them fight. So hornets and spiders, and there was like this huge nest that I remember, nest in the oak tree in the backyard. Another memory I remember is we actually tried to start a band, and like it was while we were raking leaves in the fall, and we called ourselves the Rakers. Really creative name. And since I couldn't play any instruments, I played the baseball bats, which means I just like took two baseball bats and like banged them together. And that was like, instead of drums, that's what we had. The songs we'd write. There was one called The Car that my brother wrote, and it was about this really big car that had like a bowling alley in it. I don't know, I don't even understand how that would work, but there was a song called The Car, and then there was like a Halloween song that I wrote. I don't remember what the name of that one. But this is what I'm going to do. And so I'm collecting memories, and as I'm collecting memories, I'm just writing down some details that I remember about these memories. So my topic is my brother, but if your topic is more specific, so like if your topic is a specific experience, like a specific vacation you went on, your memories can be even more specific then, okay? And the details as well can be more specific. So it's up to you. Obviously, the topic is your own. Right now, what's important is that you just pour out as many memories as you can. Okay? I hope this makes sense. On the next slide, you're going to try this out and begin collecting memories. Try to write for the whole 5 minutes. I really urge you that even if you feel like you're running out of gas, just start putting whatever thoughts come to mind on the paper because you're going to thank yourself later. It's really important to just have as many memories collected as possible.